What an amazing day to be alive. The price of Banky, aka QI, has absolutely done tremendously well. Today it is up by about 21.9%. And to all the people that watched my previous video, right? So I did give you this particular altcoin 2 days ago, and I told you that this coin was going to make millionaires. And take a look at the current price. The current price, or rather, the price of Benqi at that particular moment was around 1 cent, which is crazy. I mean, the market cap of Benqi was 42 million US dollars, and the current market cap as of today is 71.7 million US dollars. So big shout out to all my subscribers who watched my previous video, because you guys have absolutely done close to 70% in less than 3 days. Remember, I told you that this one is going to make you millionaires in about 6 months. True to my word, you guys have seen the absolute explosiveness that has occurred, and yeah, this is what is happening. So the price is 0.017, and yeah, absolute great trade. I really loved it, and the Avax ecosystem is absolutely blowing up, just like I told you last time. If you really want to keep tabs on what is going to be popular on the Avax ecosystem, all you gotta do is go to defilama.com and just simply choose Avalanche as your main layer 1 protocol, and they're going to show you exactly what is happening. So Banky is definitely performing very well. So it has done about 83.3% in the past 30 days. And we've got other, projects such as Trader Joe. We did talk about Trader Joe in my previous episode. So please take a look at this previous episode, and yeah, hopefully. Oh yeah, that's me. It's always awkward listening to one's voice. So anyhow, you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be giving you more information. So uh you have to be long term, right? So as far as you are long term, you have to practice proper risk management. So to all the people that watched my video 2 days ago, right, you guys are close to 70% in profit right now. So the smartest thing that you can do is sell your initial investment. If you invested about $1,000 in Banky, when I told you, right now you should be close to $2,000. You should be around 1,700. So get get your initial investment, the $1,000 in this particular case, and sell it. Okay, and leave the profits, because I told you in about 6 months it's going to do absolutely well. So the reason why you're supposed to do that is so you could be risk free. You can use that initial capital to invest and duplicate what you did. Okay, so this is what a lot of people usually tend to forget to do, and you guys end up coming back to zero. So right now, grab your profits and invest them in other plays. So if you watched my previous video, I'm sure you are really, really smiling all the way to the bank. So yeah, get that initial investment, take it out, and invest in something else. Now, a lot of you might be asking me and saying, look, Mona, this is absolutely a winning trade. So why not just hold on to it so that I can get more money faster and make more exponential growth? Well, the problem with that is you are not really de-risking, and you face a lot of risk with regards to any price fluctuations or any volatility. Okay, so the best way to grow your cryptocurrency portfolio is practicing the best risk to reward type of trades and practices, basically, and also getting to safeguard your initial capital, because your initial capital is what's going to allow you to sort of be in the markets. We could have a black swan event. I'm not saying it's going to happen anytime soon, but I'm just saying in case it does happen, right? If a black swan event all of a sudden happens, right, and you've got back your initial investments, right, obviously you're going to be able to buy back, or you're going to be able to survive, or just basically do other things, create other opportunities, find some other opportunities, etc. But if you end up just holding on to the markets, you're not really doing yourself a favor, because things happen. This is crypto. It's a very unregulated, market. So yeah, that's that. And right now, I'm actually on the hunt. I'm looking for a lot of great opportunities that are going to be very, very good, risk-free sort of trades. And there's gonna be winners. If you look at DeFi Llama, right, there's quite a lot of potential here. There's a lot of opportunities. All we have to do is find them. So what criteria are we going to be using? We're going to be using a few metrics in order for us to spot these amazing plays, because trust me, in the next 3 weeks, or rather 3 months, there's going to be a lot of influx of new projects. There's going to be a lot of scam projects, etc. So this time around, I'm going to be looking for those cryptocurrencies that have at least endured one Bitcoin cycle, or any bear trend. At least they should have at least like a decent amount of time spent in the crypto market. So this is one of the reasons why I really picked Benqi to be one of the best projects for a reversal, because take a look at this. They were around since 2021. This is 2023, and we experienced like a very bad a very bad market cycle, and there was sort of some fluctuations. A lot of people were shaken out, but these guys remained and stuck around, and they were building, and obviously the project is starting to take back off. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for projects that have got some history, projects that have experienced at least sell-offs, because if you take a look at the where this particular coin sort of lost its value from its previous all-time high. It was trading around 39 cents, and then it dropped to this particular amount, 0.004. Yeah. So I mean, just take a look at the bounce back. Take a look at, the reversal and the amount of money that we can make if it does go back to the previous all-time high. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, this particular coin is still far away from its previous all-time high, and there's a lot of room to grow, because it has only done like a 1x since this particular long accumulative phase. It really spent around over a year sort of just going back and forth, fluctuating in the same content or constrained price range, and it was just accumulating, and just waiting for that explosive move to happen. And this is one of the reasons why this has happened, and it's only done a 1x since its long accumulative phase. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying there's tons of opportunities, and there's going to be a whole lot of other similar opportunities. All we have to do is get to find them. So remember, just be careful. Don't just throw your money into any other coin. Okay, do what you gotta do to be safe, and you guys are going to end up making a lot of money. So yeah, let me take a look at this one, Ichida Finance. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So why is it? Oh, yeah, this one. Ooh, this is a great number, 3,697. The market cap is only 13 million US dollars. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not saying go and invest in this particular cryptocurrency, right? Because hey, you might be affected. And by the way, this one is another good one. Okay, it spent at least a year in the crypto markets, and it's done pretty well. So we're still 42% down from the previous year. So this one, we found another one, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, let's take a look at what this coin is all about. Okay, so it's just a basic crypto exchange. So just the same stuff, basically. Nothing really special. But they do have what's the 24-hour trading volume? The 24-hour trading volume is only 3,758. So, that is a red flag. I mean, at least if you had over a million. But if you take a look at the total value locked, it's only 5.6. So obviously with time, it's going to be sort of improving. So let's take a look at their Medium page, and yeah. Okay, so their last post was around November 9th, 2022. So these guys are not even active. So the people who are investing in it, these are just opportunists like you and me. But this is a red flag to me. I don't want to invest in something that the owners have abandoned and they've clearly lost interest. So let's go to their Twitter community and check out what's happening here. Okay, when was their last tweet? So October. Okay. Yeah, this is not very. Oh, okay. We do have November, some recent action. I mean, but I really expect them to sort of be a little bit more active, and I would really, really appreciate it. So, yeah, basically that's how you get to find a lot of these amazing projects. Oh, by the way, this one is also something you should look at. So Synapse. Um, yeah. Okay. I'm looking forward to checking out the website. So let's go to the website. Um, synapseprotocol.com. What do they have? Okay. Synapseprotocol.com. So this is the website. And what do these guys do? So they are all about interoperability, and I guess they're in the business of cross chaining, and just having like a link towards all the different layer one protocols. So yeah, that's that. Okay, let's take a look at their Twitter account, and okay, Synapse Labs. The wait is over. The interchain feature is here. Okay, at least they're building. Well, at least these guys are a little bit, active. The last tweet was on December 7th. Yeah, and today, what's the date today? Today is the 10th, right? So this was about 3 days ago. So in comparison to Ichida Finance, right, we are seeing a little bit of more activity with regards to Synapse protocol. Okay, so yeah, this one could do very well. At least they even have what's the fully diluted valuation? The fully diluted valuation is around 89.52 billion, and yeah, this is actually good. This is definitely good. I would definitely put something in there, and the total value locked is around 117 million US dollars, which is very good. So these guys have been around since 2021, and this is the graph. So this is I think it's a better play. So let's take a look at CoinGecko. Okay, so on CoinGecko, these guys are around 92 million US dollars, a little bit overvalued for my liking. I really love under 30 million US dollars. But if you take a look at this particular graph, guys, they're about to take off. They are about to take off, definitely. So yeah, okay, plus they're on Binance. Now that's what I'm talking about. So the volume depth is 89. They've got a 24-hour volume of around 1.2 million euro. This one is not really bad. It's not really bad, even though it's actually part of the Ethereum ecosystem. So anyway, this is not really a buy recommendation. Let me first of all do my due diligence, then I'll get back to you guys. So basically that was my hunting strategies, and this is how I find undervalued cryptocurrencies, and this is how I was able to find QI, aka Benqi, and we made roughly 70% in less than 2 days. I mean, that's crazy. If you put 10,000 US dollars, you could have made 7,000 US dollars. That's absolutely ridiculous. And yeah, big shout out to everybody that followed that trade. I do have a Patreon group. You guys need to follow me. I have been giving you a lot of good buying opportunities, trading signals. In case you guys have got any other questions for me, please send me an email, join my Patreon, and I'm going to definitely be able to help and take your portfolio to a whole new level. So yeah, talk to you a little bit later. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications and all that good stuff. So be blessed and have an amazing day.